PayTabs is a company dedicated to revolutionizing online payment methods by offering easy and dependable payment processing solutions for both merchants and individual users. Furthermore, PayTabs products primarily target small and medium-sized enterprises with the goal of simplifying the acceptance of internet cards, making integration more straightforward, reducing costs, and, most importantly, making them less susceptible to fraud risks. Consequently, the services provided encompass a secure payment gateway, in addition to a fraud protection system that is backed by convenient payment services. It's also secure for you and your customers, as it takes necessary precautions to minimize risks. To achieve this, PayTabs utilizes the latest SSL system version. This system mandates that your credit card information, transmitted from your server or via your internet service, must be sent in a secure and encrypted format. This ensures that no unauthorized party can intercept or access your transactions or obtain your private and sensitive information. However, you will also be required to implement several other precautions based on the specific type of credit card you possess, such as Visa or MasterCard, in accordance with the criteria that will be provided to you at the appropriate time. This will enable you to process payments from major credit and debit cards issued by MasterCard, Visa, and American Express, MADA, Enet, and Omanet. At present, you can accept transactions in numerous global currencies. Nevertheless, these transactions will be settled in the local currency you have previously specified. You may also visit the PayTabs website to view the costs associated with using PayTabs services. In this video, we'll delve into the registration process and how to use the PayTabs payment gateway. Entering the pricing section will show you the basic and premium account rates. Choose according to your requirements. By clicking Register, we will go to the registration page. Your account will remain a trial account until it is accepted. Fees vary by country, and there are a number of domains available. Enter your registration information and solve the CAPTCHA. Go to the dashboard and you will receive an account confirmation email. To activate your account, please revisit the website using the activation link provided in the email you received. First, register as an individual or a business. Enter your name, email, and mobile phone number. You are required to verify your mobile number by entering the code that was sent to you. The 8th step will ask you to provide your business details, such as your store's name, website, and social media page. Additionally, you will be required to submit supporting documents, including a commercial license issued by an official government authority. Should you desire to register as a business establishment, you will require a 6-month bank statement on official bank letterhead together with your business notification. Subsequently, you will be prompted to upload a distinct image of your identification document, such as an ID card or passport, verifying that it is currently valid. You will be prompted to select one of the pricing plans and the specific type of credit card you wish to accept from your customers. You will be asked to complete all your bank account information. The 4th step is a questionnaire. Once you agree to the terms and conditions, you'll be able to commence your work. This is the dashboard. From here, you can change the language. From payment links, you can create a new payment link. You'll enter the invoice value, the customer's name, their address, and then save the link. You can input the customer's number to dispatch the payment link through an SMS message, or they can simply scan the provided barcode to complete their payment. Copy the link and send it to the customer, and this is how the message will appear to them when they input it. Choose your payment method, then enter your card number, expiration date, email, address, city, and postal code, then click Pay Now. A message will then confirm that your payment has been successfully processed. From the reference, you can view all the detailed payment information, the amount, payment method, and customer. You have the option to refund the customer directly to the very same card that was originally used for the payment. This method allows you to input the amount, then issue a refund to the customer, whether it's the full amount or just a part of what they paid you. With this approach, you send a payment link directly to the customer. In contrast, the invoice method allows you to select the currency and input the customer's complete information, including all purchase and merchandise details, much like using accounting software. To access the team, you can delegate one of your associates to manage your account. You're able to input the user's information, including their department. Once you've entered all their details, dispatch the invitation, and they will exclusively have access to the developer's screen. From this particular screen, it's possible to undertake a diverse range of functions, including connecting it to your personal website. Furthermore, from your profile, you can easily add multiple companies and connect several websites with PayTabs. This will appear as a trial account, and it might take some time before the account is approved. Share your questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.